Ayun positive 12 volts ha. Positive, the negative. There's a ground here inside. Okay, 12 volts DC. Okay, aywa, ada fuse. Oh, getting body control module off. Ayun na. Body control module of Yaris 2023 model. Here the problem Here side shorted in back up fuse. Here side Toyota Yaris 2023 model. Bali, this is the problem. BCM body control module. Finish to check all wiring. There's no shorted. Ayun. Okay, I found the problem is BCM. There's a electronic parts inside, like a diode or transistor. Problem inside. Update natin sa ating Toyota Yaris 2024. Naikabit na po natin yung kanyang dashboard. Yan mga kaibigan. Tapos ngayon gumagana na. Ay, wala na po yung kanyang grounded. Okay, gumagana na po lahat. Maandar na. Before is grounded yung wiring nya. Yung maandar ngayon meron na. Ayos na. Yan po, reverse, neutral, drive. Ayan. Okay, hanggang dito na lang po. Ayan po, gumagana po lahat.